Hello, I'm your Ambassador Carter, and you're at our Ruth and Ron Bletchley Bell Tower, and this is where we'll conclude our tour today. This bell tower is very special to us, as it is the most iconic landmark on campus. As beautiful as it is, any student will tell you that it also carries a superstition, that if you walk under its arches before you've graduated, it will extend your time at SAM. I may not be superstitious, but I'm also not walking under there until I've got my diploma in hand. Our Ambassadors have loved guiding you around our beautiful campus today. We would love to host you on our guided tour, so please visit our website at shsu.edu/visit and register. Until we meet again, have a great day and eat 'em up, cats.